Alright, you guys, okay, so I went to Walmart right now, earlier. I finally found JCB DIGATRON. And shout out to my mom because she got it for me. JCB DIGATRON, here it is, guys, Series 41. And it's nice in person. I saw all of them except for the chase piece. And actually, I had them all, actually. I had the K-Rex, I had a Gravedigger. Hopefully I can get K-Rex, hopefully, because there was one, which I probably won't get a chance, but hopefully I do. Here's Digatron, guys. I love this casting, it's like really nice. Further ado, let's go and get to the unboxing. That's what this is about. Ooh, okay, here it is, guys. Digatron. Oh my god, look at this. I don't need the light for this because my window's open. Here's, guys, JCB Digatron, guys. BKT tires. That's so cool. Look at the little name, and then it has like teeth in the front. JCB, and then Digatron. Really cool. And it's really huge, the logo on top. Look at that. The logo's really big up there, which is cool. The windshield in the back. The little scoop for the dirt. It's not movable. It's molded on there, so I don't want to move it. I don't want to break it. Some little silver pieces here. Like a yellowish, darkish yellow rims and beadlocks, kind of matching the body of the actual truck. So this one's really nice. The Digatron is really cool. Hoping to get the rest soon if they're still there. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.